A very good morning student. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about the heredity lesson, unit number 18, right? We are seen in our last class. We have seen a monohybrid cross inheritance of one gene. We have seen that, right? I hope you have to remember to the topic. So today we are going to discuss about the next topic. They are contain some of the D words. Okay, without any delay, we move on a topic. A first thing of a topic is a chromosome, DNA, and gene. Let me see that topic. Yes, here today we are going to discuss about the chromosome, DNA, and gene topic, right? And here they are contain some of the important words in this topic. There is important D words in this topic. Let we see that what are the words are present in that a chromosome, DNA, and gene topic. A first one is the gene. We already say now what is a gene? A particular sequence of a DNA, that is a gene responsible for a particular character, right? And next one is the locus. Here they are given one new term for that. It is the what? A locus. I will say that what is a locus? That a kind of a specific position of a gene. Okay, I will say the detail for a definition time, definition period. And next one is the chromatide. What is the next one? A chromatide. They are present in the chromosome part. And next one is the chromonema. What is the next one, ma? A chromonema. There also comes under the chromosome part. And next one is the centromere. What is the next one? Centromere. And before one is chromomeres. A chromomeres also there comes under the chromosomal part. And next one is the SAT chromosome. What is the next one? That is the last part. SAT chromosome. That is a short term for that. SAT. Abdina satellite chromosome. Okay, so that is in a short form of SAT chromosome. Okay, let me see that one by one in a definition of a gene, a locus, a chromatide, chromonema, chromomeres, centromere, and SAT chromosome. Let me see that first one, gene. Yes, here the first topic of chromosome, DNA, and gene topic is first one is a gene. Here a gene is, this is the definition, right? A gene is a segment of DNA. What they have said as a gene? Gene is the segment of DNA. Just imagine this is the what, ma? DNA. You know that, right? That is a double helix like structure. This is the what? A DNA. Gene is the specific, that is a segment of a DNA. For an example, up to this. This is the one segment of DNA. So here they are given a name for genes or responsible for the. Here this particular strands are responsible for the inheritance of a particular phenotypic character. What they have said? Particular phenotypic. Phenotypic, now what we have said? External expression of a character. For an example, just genes are responsible for the hair color or height or whatever it may be, just they are carried from the parent. Okay, a particular phenotypic character, they are responsible for the gene. So what is a gene? Gene is the particular segments of DNA. DNA whatever particular segments are gene, they are responsible for the phenotypic character. This part is responsible for the what? Phenotypic character. So that's it for a gene. I hope you have to understand to that. Just have to read it again. What is a gene? Gene is the segment of DNA which are responsible for the inheritance of a particular character. Okay, so that's it for a gene. Let me move on next topic. What is the next one? Locus. What is the next one, ma? Locus. Here a locus. Each gene, here this is the what? Gene, and another segments is also there, no? Another stand is there. This is the one gene, na? This is the another part of a gene. Here each gene is present in a specific position of a chromosome are called locus. What they have said? Each gene, this is the one gene and this is the one gene. Here a DNA is a thread-like structure. They are twisted together to form a chromosome. Right? This is the chromosome. Each gene is present in a specific position. Over specific position present where? In the chromosome. Chromosome may be here. This is a particular gene are presented to be here. Here this is the particular gene are presented to be here. A specific position of a chromosome is called what? Locus. So this is the locus. This is the what ma? Locus. Or a particular gene chromosome la particular position la present ayirundana, that is the locus. Okay. And let me move on next one. A chromatide. What is the next one? Chromatide. Just see this definition. A chromatide is one off of the replicated chromosome. What they said? A chromatide is one off of the replicated chromosome. And just have to see here what we have said the structure for this. We can name sonoma. This is the chromosome. Chromosome sonoma. Here a chromatide. Chromatide is one half of the replicated. This is the one half. Apo. So here this is the what? One half of the replicated. That is the separated chromosome. Chromosome oda oru half da enna da chromatide. So this is the what? Chromatide here. This is the chromatide. Okay. Are you clear? Read more next one. Yes. The next one we are having a chromonema. Let me see the chromonema. Yes, here the next one we are having a chromonema. Okay, here a chromonema, which means a chromosome is the spherically coiled, a thin structure are called chromonema. What they are said? Chromosome is spherically coiled. Okay, first thing, this is the what? The chromosome, right? Here they are spherically coiled, just like this. Okay, a chromosome is the spherically coiled thin structure is called. What they have said here? This is the chromonema. Okay, man, the spherical mari irukka. That is the what? A chromonema. Okay, and next one is the chromomerase. What is the next one? Chromomerase. Here the number of bead-like structure along its length, which is called chromomerase. What they have said? A number of bead-like structure. Just here, this is spherical like no. Just like this. Bead, mani mari. Along in the length of a chromosome. Okay, just like this. So, number of a bead-like structure along in the length of a chromosome is called a chromomerase. Okay, there will be more next one. And next one is the centromere. What is the next one? Centromere. Here a centromere, the two arms. This is the what? Two arms of a chromosome. Two arms of chromosome are meted at the point. Enga meet pandranga? Here the center part. Leya. Two arms of chromosome are meet at the center point. Meet at the point is called centromere. So this is the what pa? Centromere. Okay. Be clear that what is centromere? A two arms are meet at the point is called centromere. Okay, so that's it for a centromere. And last one we are having a SAT chromosome. Okay, let me see the SAT chromosome. Yes, here the next one is a SAT chromosome. That is the last one. If you see some of the chromosome, we are having another structures also. They are having some primary construction and lobe-like structure. Lobe bari irukama ending la. Okay. Just have to see the definition. The chromosome with the satellites are called as the sat chromosome. What they said? Chromosome with the satellite. Satellite na onnu illama. A disc like structures. Okay, ma satellite how they are look like na? Usually they are disc like structures, right? So chromosome with the satellite like structures are called sat chromosome. This is the name of what? Satellite ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகேவா? இப்போ குரோமோசோம்ல சேட்டலைட் இருந்தனாக்கா that is the meaning of a sat chromosome. Okay, so that's it for an D words in this topic of chromosome, DNA and gene. Okay, so that's it for an D words in this topic. Let me move on and next one is the next video.